Welcome to the Viking repair parts video. My name is Sean Kramer and I will be walking you through step by step for the adjustment of the Viking Model C-1 thermostatic release. Here are the tools that will be needed for the adjustment of the C-1 thermostatic release. Prior to working on the C-1 thermostatic release, refer to the appropriate technical data sheets for placing the system out of service. We will be covering the adjustment kit for the Viking Model C-1 thermostatic release. The adjustment kit contains 5 Schrader valve cores, 2 feeler gauges, one with a 0.025 inch setting for the C-1 thermostatic release, and one with a 0.018 inch setting for the C-2 thermostatic release. First, we will need to remove the screws from the back of the cover to expose the Schrader valve core. With the screws removed, we can now remove the cover. Allow the thermostatic release to adjust to ambient temperature of the area in which the adjustment will be performed. While performing the following steps, do not place your hands on the element tube to ensure that the temperature of the tube is not altered. We will now need to pressurize the release inlet. For pneumatic release systems with water pressure of 175 psi or less, pressurize to 30 psi air or nitrogen pressure. For pneumatic release systems with water pressure over 175 psi and up to 250 psi, pressurize to 50 psi air or nitrogen pressure. Once the pilot line is pressurized, insert the feeler gauge between the Schrader valve core and the socket set screw, using care not to bend the Schrader valve core. Use the Schrader valve core tool to tighten the socket set screw until it contacts the feeler gauge and opens the release. Remove the feeler gauge from the release and verify that the release closes. With the thermostatic release now set to the proper adjustment, install the cover back onto the housing. Install the 2 screws into the cover. This concludes the repair parts video for the adjustment of the Viking Model C-1 thermostatic release. If you need additional information or have additional questions, please visit our website at vikinggroupinc.com or call our toll-free number at 877-384-5464.